EA250W2 indoor LED screen is a high-performance device designed for applications such as car-motion LED display and conference room. The entire screen uses 48 cabinets and the use of which P2.6 type precision module. Okay, so which can provide extremely high display clarity and color reproduction. EA250W2 offers 5 different size options such as 500 by 250mm, 715 by 250mm, and 1000 by 500mm, and 500 by 500mm, and 1000 by 250mm. Users flexibly choose the appropriate size according to the need of the site to meet the installation requirements of different spaces. EA250W2 LED display has a structured design for direct wall installation, which is simple to install and service spaces. It's particularly suitable for applications where the screen needs to be integrated into the environment. At the same time, through front-end maintenance, users can repair LED module and power supply, and other components directly from the front of the screen. Avoiding the trouble of disassembling the back of the traditional screens. And thereby simplify the maintenance process and improve the installation efficiency. In addition, EA250W2 indoor LED screen is well designed with high durability and high stability, ensuring high performance during the long-term use. What is high-frequency shopping malls or corporate commercial room that requires a high-quality visual effect and can provide customers with a reliable solution?